Serbia has finalized a $335 million arms deal with Israeli defense firm Elbit Systems, marking a significant step in its ongoing military modernization efforts. The agreement includes advanced artillery and drone systems, notably the PULS, Precise and Universal Launching System, artillery rocket launcher, a versatile platform capable of striking targets up to 300 kilometers away. Speaking about the deal, Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić asserted the superiority of the Israeli systems over American counterparts, such as the HIMARS rocket system procured by neighboring Croatia, a NATO member. The system allows operators to fire various munitions from the same platform without relocating, making it ideal for rapid response scenarios. The acquisition highlights Serbia's growing investment in its military capabilities amidst a competitive arms race with Croatia, which has recently modernized its armed forces with American HIMARS systems and other advanced weaponry. The deal with Elbit is seen as Serbia's response to maintaining a strategic balance in the region. Vučić has made defense modernization a cornerstone of his administration, with significant investments in both domestic production and foreign acquisitions. The agreement with Israel is the latest in a series of deals aimed at bolstering Serbia's ability to respond to regional and international challenges.